What's going on, guys? It's Divij. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boy Efren. We're here in Redlands and we are looking at my brand new fix and flip property on Mitchell Way. Super excited about this house because this house is really close to downtown Redlands, and it's also really close to the University of Redlands, and there's so much stuff in this area. We're actually in downtown right now. You guys can see it right behind me. We looked at the house yesterday. We got our offer accepted, which was super exciting. So the whole day yesterday was just bringing contractors in. We got the home inspection done. And with these flips, the biggest thing is you have to move so fast because you have to get your EMD or your earnest money deposit into escrow pretty much a day or two after they accept your offer. So we had to do all our due diligence this morning and yesterday, and we're doing a total of 5 contractor bids. And I talked about this in my last video about the importance of getting as many contractors out as you can so that you can get as many estimates as you can. And then we had the AC guys come in today, the termite guys. We might even get an appraiser out there today. So a lot of stuff going on at the house. I'm gonna show you guys the house here in a bit. But right now we're heading to Wells Fargo because I gotta put in the earnest money deposit. I gotta basically send the wire into escrow. And we brought the Tesla with us today. Last time I brought it to Redlands, it got towed, so hopefully it doesn't get towed today. We're gonna head to the bank, we're gonna head to the house, and I'm gonna show you guys the entire interior and give you guys an idea on what the plan is for the property. And I'm gonna take you guys step by step into how to flip a house and sort of what are the things to look out for. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn post notifications on. Let's get into the video. Woo! It is hot today. We are at the property in Redlands. I'm gonna show you guys the entire house. This is our first flip. Super excited about it. This property's got so much potential and it's in prime Redlands. You know, there's so much awesome stuff that's right around this area. I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of what this house looks like before we touch it and what it's gonna look like after we touch it. Super excited to show you guys what the house looks like when it's done. Let's check it out. Got all these trees just out here. We got to trim this tree right here, big tree in the backyard. Some more stuff here that all needs to be, you know, hauled out of the backyard. We got this sunroom right here. This is definitely done. I don't know if you guys can see it. It was definitely done, you know, after the fact and attached to the house. So it needs to be taken down, and we're going to do some painting, make it look a lot prettier. There's the backyard. So this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,500 square feet, and it's in a cul-de-sac. It's in a really great part of Redlands. You got gorgeous views of the mountains, you got a kids park, downtown Redlands. You know, it's honestly prime location. So super excited. We actually put the EMD, which is the deposit, in today, which means escrow close here in the next probably 6 to 8 days. So let's go check out the inside. There's the sunroom. There's the kitchen. Got another massive room here. Gorgeous ceilings. Fireplace. We're gonna paint all this white, maybe add in some contrast color there. The living room. Here we got the garage. Got the hallway. These bedrooms all need a lot of work. As you guys can see, you need some painting. Little bathroom there needs some work. Gotta put in a new toilet. This bedroom right here needs probably the most work, as you guys can see. Needs new floors. The walls are really banged up, so you gotta change all that out. Make sure the AC is working, new closet. The attic right there is wide open. We got the master bedroom. Bathroom actually looks decent, but we're gonna do carpet throughout here, and then we're gonna do flooring there, carpet in the closet. And there's the bathroom. There's a closet. Can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like. Right now we have contractors, AC guys, the inspector, everybody's coming out to take a look at the property and let us know what it's gonna cost. And then we're gonna basically pick who we wanna pick and get the work started. So if you guys have any questions about how to flip a house or how this whole process works, make sure you put them down below in the comment section. All right, what's going on, guys? It's been a crazy day today. We've been at this house all day long, just trying to make sure we had the contractors coming in to look at everything. And we had a bunch of different people coming in the house. Again, a couple contractors, handymen, painters. It's been a great day, very productive. You know, we feel very great about this flip. We're in Redlands, and again, I live in Hollywood, so I had to fucking make sure my car was good. So we brought it to the supercharger, and it's gonna charge real quick. We got a couple other Teslas right here. Look at that one. That one right there is sick. That's mine right there. We got the Model 3, and then there's a little X right there, I think. I actually don't really like that color, and it looks more stock to me. It's got the upgraded rims, but there's mine. We got the Model 3, looking pretty today. Getting charged up. The superchargers. These are a lot quicker than the EV chargers, because the EV chargers can take like up to 8 or 9 hours. These are quick, like within an hour, pretty much you get a full charge, which is super convenient. Gorgeous little shopping center right here. So I'm gonna go get some food, kick back, take a little bit of a break, and then we're gonna head back to LA, hit the gym, and then that's it. So, day in the life, man, real estate way. Let's go.